Hey guys, I'm Colwen. It's the Space Squid, and I got a nice little pre-packaged health snack thing here. This is a Skinny Pop popcorn. This is for those people that need a snack, but it has to be a certain amount of calories or less. So there's not really an image of the popcorn on the front, unless that counts. I'm not sure if they're gonna look like that on the inside, but it pure pop perfection. It's 100 calories per bag. I'm probably not going to eat the entire bag right now in one sitting. 50 milligrams sodium, 0 gram sugars, and it repeats the non-GMO, gluten-free. So, hey, those of you with gluten allergies, no artificial ingredients. This is that's what it is. This is gluten-free. That I like that. There's a logo for it now. Certified vegan. It's a 65-ounce package. On the back here, again, no really pictures of the thing. We believe in snacking without compromise. To us, that means using the fewest, cleanest, simplest ingredients possible to bring you the best tasting popcorn. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. Again, it repeats all the things that it's free of. Nutrition facts: 100 calories per bag. Total fat 7 grams. Saturated fat 0.5 grams. That's 9% and 3%. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 50 milligram 2%. Total carbohydrate 4%. Dietary fiber 2 grams 7%. Insoluble fiber 2 grams. Total sugar 0 grams. Included added sugar 0. Protein 1 gram. 0 vitamin D, 0 calcium, 2% iron, potassium 30 milligram but 0%. And the ingredients right here at the bottom: popcorn, sunflower oil, and salt. How does that look? Oh, could use a lot more salt. Does that look like the absolute most bland popcorn you've ever seen? Because it is. It's popcorn flavor. It would fill your stomach. It'd keep your mouth busy. It has to really be more about keeping your mouth busy. Not offensive. And once you start munching into it, the salt flavor does build up. But yeah, it is plain, lightly, very lightly salted popcorn. The one of the problems you get with popcorn sometimes is the dry fried corn husk thing. You know what I mean? The little shells get stuck in your teeth. That is something that actually is really good about this. There's no, or at least very, very few. Yeah, no, those corn husk shells are not there. That's good stuff, actually. Um, yes, it's bland, but bland in a good way. The texture is good. And there's no corn husks in it. So if you're looking for a light snack, I'm already feeling kind of full off this. Then again, I just filmed the other cool little meal replacement bar thing, so that might have something to do with it. These are good. You get a chance, get yourself some Skinny Pop popcorn. Manufactured by 4 amplified snack brands in Austin, Texas. It's a made in America product. Thank you for watching.